Hello, everybody. My name is Ben Albee. I'm a Senior Client Success Manager at CompStak, and today I'm going to be walking you through using the CompStak Portfolios feature to create a custom portfolio. Now, one thing to note about the Portfolios feature is it could be done at the landlord level, it could be done at the tenant level, or it can be a custom set of properties as you define, either by using the filters or manually inputting them. Whatever way you want to construct it, we have the ability to do that. So in order to construct a portfolio, I'm going to navigate to the properties section. You'll see all of the available filters pop up. I'm going to make sure I have my market selected. So in this case, I'm going to switch over from DC to New York City by identifying New York City in the drop-down list and then applying market changes. And then once again, we're going to use these individual filters to create a custom set of properties to then push into the portfolio section. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is create the filter for property type and go ahead and input office. We could use any of the CompStak submarkets by either selecting them from the drop-down list or navigating to the map view. And I'll grab a few different submarkets within Midtown here. As we're doing this, we see the number of properties refined down. And then what I'll finish up with is looking at Class A buildings above a certain square footage threshold. So let's say above 250,000 square feet. So now, from taking the entire list of properties in New York City, refining it down to Midtown, Class A only within the office sector, we're down to 160 properties. I hit refine in the top right corner to see all those individual buildings in the list view. From here, I can either grab individual properties or click this box to select all of them. Hit add to portfolio. If I have an existing portfolio I'd like to add this to supplement the properties that are already in there, I can use that as an option or create a new portfolio. I'm going to name it New York City Midtown Class A Office above 250,000 square feet. And then from here, I can add a description and I can set my notification preferences. So if this is something where I want to receive live alerts for every time we collect a new lease comp that matches property in your portfolio, you can configure it that way, whether that's daily, weekly, or just any time we get one added. I'll get a success button once I go ahead and create that. Go to the portfolio page and you will be greeted with our portfolio overview section where you can see some high-level trends, the distribution of where these assets are within the map. In the case in which the portfolio is spread across multiple markets, you see a slightly different view looking across those different markets, and then all of the different tools we have to analyze the portfolio.